Alright, so now we have explored a couple of tools to gather information, but what happens when one of those tools gets stuck and we cannot get the desired output from that tool? It's a real issue and we have to get our job done. We cannot stay at one place without getting our information or give up from gathering informations. But luckily we have a huge pool of tools in our internet that is ready to be downloaded and to be used. We cannot cover all of them in one video, but surely in this video you will know how to download those tools, how to run that tool on a terminal, and how to use it according to your purpose. And most of the tools are found on GitHub. And if you don't know what is GitHub, so GitHub is a place for developers or hackers where they share the tools or their software or the code they have written on any project. And if you know what is GitHub, then you must be a developer or you have been into hacking before this course. And if you don't know what is GitHub, you can check our GitHub tutorial that is free on our website. So don't worry, we will walk through it. So now let's open your Firefox browser and we will start by searching for a tool we can use for information gathering. And if we know the tool's name, you can type it directly on the search bar. And even if you don't know, you can just simply type information gathering tools GitHub to get a list of options. So just type information gathering tools GitHub, look into search bar and press enter. So you should see a bunch of links here, and let's go with the second one. And the second one appears, it's a cool name, so let's click on the Red Hawk link and you will land on the GitHub page of this tool. Here you can see a bunch of files to make up the tool along with the scan that you can perform on the Red Hawk, like basic scans. So in the basic scan you can gather information about site title, IP address, web server detection, CMS detection, Cloudflare detection, and many more. We have whois lookup, GeoIP lookup, grab banner, DNS lookup, subnet calculator, and map port scan. That is the advanced scanning method. We will explore that in our scanning section. So we are not going to test that port scanning in this tutorial. We have subdomain scanner as well, and we have a lot of options in this Red Hawk. We have released version, we have changed logs, like what are the version that has been previously released, what have been changed till now. We have the installation guide in this as well, where GitHub tells how you can actually install that tool. We have usage also. So when we are going to use these tools, you have to copy this git clone and the link of this tool, and you have to copy and then go paste on your terminal. That's how you clone a tool. So when you go on the terminal, click paste selection, press enter, and Git will automatically download all the file. You will see a folder called Red Hawk. As you can see on our left, it is present. That will contain a lot of information about this tool. So now let's test the tool. Open the Red Hawk folder. We will use the command cd Red Hawk, and now we are in the Red Hawk folder. So now we will list all the files, and most of the files will be configuration or function file. But what we are really looking for is the main tool file, and in case it's Red Hawk PHP file. Yeah. So since it's a PHP file, so we will run it using PHP command in the terminal. And if it was a Python file or Python 3 file, as we have shown earlier, we have to type Python before the file name. So when we type PHP Red Hawk, when you do this, it will load a banner and give you a few options. It might tell you some required modules are missing, but don't worry, that's normal, and even if you don't fix it, it will work properly. But we will fix it. It has fixed all the things. It asks you for the password to to install the missing modules, just enter your password, just you do every time during login. So I will type my password here. Okay, then it's cool. So now let's try running some scans. So I'm going to type here the university website name and I will choose second for HTTPS, and as you can see here we have a lot of options. So we will do a basic scan, so we will select 0 option here, and as you can see it has given a lot of information about the website. It is telling its title, its IP address, its server, web server, CMS could not be detected, and we have a lot of information. Now we will do it again with the same university website link. We will go with the second option and we will try some more options like whois lookup. So we didn't get anything with the whois lookup. We will continue. Now we will try geo IP lookup, and as you can see we have got the latitude and longitude, we have got the IP address and the country name. So now we will try some more options as well. You can watch these options. I'm just trying it really fast, so you can pause and check it. Yeah, so now not every option will work perfectly. In that case the Cloudflare detection didn't work, but that's okay. Some tools might have bugs or might not work every time with every site, but it will give us many more useful information, like the IP address we have got, basic DNS lookup, we got the geo IP, geolocation of it. In this case it worked pretty well, but remember sometimes you might need to test a lot of tools before using it into your real life. So for now you have seen how to search a tool, download it, clone it into your terminal or your hacking machine, how to use it, how to run scans on your target website, how to gather information from your target website. So for this lecture it is a good learning journey. I want you to download a lot more tools and test it out. If you get any error in that tool, you can contact us, or maybe you can find solution regarding it on the internet. So it is a cool tool to discover user account across the different platforms. Now we will move further on to better and advanced lectures.